Daar is hy terug. I asked, how is it that we don't have any colored representation in the ministers or the deputy ministers?
Oh, you asked that?
I asked that at the roadshow.
Oh, before I ask you.
Before.
So I hit the nerve.
You see, it was a seed. It was a water. And then what? When the vegetable was ripe, wool out of the ice. Because
I can read for vegetables right here. I don't wait here with a
But I get told this, and I want you. It's by a minister. Now you must remember, myself, I have an honors degree. At that point, I was in politics for 7 years, and I get told by somebody that has just a matric, who is a trust fund baby also. I get told, we are so happy here to be where we are, because in the DA we don't do representativity. We do merit.
Yo. What?
By somebody who didn't even step foot inside of a university.
He tells you that?
I was told of merit. And for me, this is
what
why
question
it's important.
did you ask?
I asked, why is there no colored representativity in the GNU?
Oh, no deputy minister, no.
Nothing
no
from
minister.
the DA.
Yes,
Nothing.
I know.
And then, and this isn't to say just life experience, because life experience can also play, and business experience, it plays a big part. But to get told that, it's almost as if you are directly telling me, no, you can have whatever as a colored person, but it won't be enough here. We are measuring each other on different standards. We are measuring each other in different ways. And I could mark a man's bias here, Press.
Yo, let me unpack that for people. Let me explain something to you. When you say on merit, which means what you are saying is that all the colors in the DA, nobody could make it in the GNU on merit. That's what you are saying. Ja, ek sal moet vir die geval dat eet ek liewer brood en water wat ek. Listen, what you are saying is on merit, which means my van julle wat so gate en mal is. Julle praat van merit. So julle is nie gemaak nie, maskers. I've spoken to colored leaders in the DA, some of them. They are smarter than some of the guys in the GNU, let me tell you. They are more knowledgeable. So this merit issue is just an insult. Now, Patriots, hulle oë sal oopgaan. You look at something like Basil Peters. He's adding value to the PA. We've had so many people from the DA that joined us. Today they're in positions. I can think about John the Brain in Free State, Danny Netno in Joburg, Basil, Peters. Ja, ek kan aan baie mense dink, man. So Patriots, let me love you and leave you. Now you know. Liam will come back to Parliament, but he must go through the PA oven. And him and Umbiza, I'm telling you now, so you must keep me to it. They're going to lead our parliament there.